parenting hack. People are always wondering, what do I bring to a restaurant to keep my child entertained? And as someone who eats out a lot, I can tell you, everyone is giving their kids their phones. Stop it. Knock it off. It's not a good idea. It is not going to work out in the long run for you. Trust me on this, okay? We've all seen it. We've all seen the kid where the parent's trying to take away the phone. They're screaming. They're caterwauling. It's a 911 situation. Just avoid it. It's really easy. Never give them an electronic device. Give them a book. B-O-O-K. Look it up, guys. Google it. It's an old-timey thing that we had back in my day where a parent could hand you it, your book, and you could read it at dinner, on the airplane, in the car. You can read it anywhere, guys. And here's the thing. It's going to give your kid a better imagination. It's going to give them better skills for the rest of their life. And they're not going to scream when you take it away. And if they do, you can go, he just loves to read. And everyone will give you the Mom or Dad of the Year award. So seriously,